Hey guys, this is Omar from the channel The Freelancer. Today we are going to learn how to install WordPress on localhost using wampserver. So these are the steps we are going to follow. So at first we will download wampserver. So let's start. So let me open my browser. Go to google.com, search wamp. Okay, so go to this link and scroll down. So you can see there is a 32 bits and as well as there is a version of 64 bit. So choose which one you want and fit with your PC. So my PC is 64 bit, so I'm going to choose this one. So click on direct download directly. Okay, so here is the version you can see. So the latest one is version 3, I mean wampserver 3. So click on it and now click on here. Hold on, it will download automatically. So it's a total 336 MB megabyte. So start download. Okay, so it will take few time to download. So the download is very close to end. Just few seconds left. So the download is complete. Now open folder. So double click the installer. Click on yes. Choose the language you want. Okay, I accept the agreement. Click on next, 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 and hold on. The install process is very close to end. We can see just a few seconds left. It's very close to end. So just hold on. It is very close to end. Oh, okay, so it's done. Do you want to choose another browser? Okay, I explore it. Okay, no problem. You can choose yes or no. It is just asking for the default browser you want to run the WAMP, I mean WAMP websites. So I'm gonna choose no. If it will be used as a text, no problem. Notepad is okay for me. So no. Just about 30 seconds. Okay, next. Finish. Okay, so wampserver installation is done. So after completing the installation, you will see an icon like this. So this is just for wampserver. So double click on it and click on yes. Then you will see wamp is starting. So it will turn into green if wamp loaded fully. Okay, so now see it's turned into green color, right? So that means the wamp is running successfully. Okay, so we can click on it and there will get a lot of options to control the wamp. We'll get options for PHP, we'll get options for MySQL. So we do not need to look at this right now. We can learn it later. So now we want to download the WordPress because the WAMP server is already installed. We just finished the installation of WAMP. Now we are going to download the WordPress. So go to the browser again and search WordPress. Okay, now visit this link. Okay, wordpress.org. Get WordPress. Okay, so download the latest version. Okay, so it's downloading the latest version. It's not a big file, just 9 MB. Open the folder. Okay, so we already download the WordPress and WAMP server is already installed. Now next step is create the database. So we have to go to our browser and type localhost. Okay, so we can see actually this is our dashboard of our WAMP in a live server. So click on PHP MyAdmin. The default username is root and password is blank. So hit the button go. Now this is actually PHP MyAdmin. From here you can control the databases. So we want to create a new database. So click here, new, and choose the database name. I'm going to choose, you can give any kind of name, no problem. I'm going to choose WP test. I'm going to give it the database name. So here I'm going to keep it database is WP test. Okay, click the create button. So the database is created successfully. So now we have to create a database user and password. So you can see we can create a user. Go to PHP MyAdmin and user account. I mean, go to direct PHP MyAdmin, this URL, and click on user account and add new user. Then username, you can give any kind of username. I'm going to give my name Omar, and password. Okay, you can give Omar 1 2 3 4 5. I'm going to retype it. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let me keep it here. We'll need it later. Database user pass for 5. Okay, so now database user account. Now check all of this. You can click here to check all of this, check all, and hit the button go. Okay, so database user has been created successfully. We can see the green message here. Okay, so our database creation is done. Now we have to move the WordPress to our root directory. At first extract it. Just hold on, it's very close to finish. Okay, so it's done. So okay, so under this folder, all of the WordPress file under this folder, right? So now cut it or copy it, no problem. I'm going to copy and go to your C drive and go to WAMP64. It's depend actually. If you have 32-bit version, then it will be the name will be in another name. So mine is 64, so that's why the name is WAMP64. Okay, then go to www. Okay, www. Okay, so this is actually your root folder. Okay, this is actually your root folder. So paste the WordPress folder here. You can rename it, no problem. I'm gonna rename it my WP site. So okay, so now go to your browser and type localhost again. So this localhost means this will go to the actually our root folder. Okay, so this is our root folder, I mean www. Okay, so in www you can see here is our project my WP site. You can click on it or you can directly type it here. I mean, sorry, you can directly type it here like this, my WP site. Let me check the my name. Okay, so it's the WordPress is running here. So choose the language, English, continue, and we already created all of this. So let's go. So now database name. We already created a database for our WordPress. It's a WP test. So put the name here, and database user. Put the name in user field, and then the user password. So put the password here. Okay, I'm just keeping the password here. So database host, so keep it same as a local host, and table prefix you can keep it same or you can change it, no problem. If you don't know how table prefix works, then ignore it. Okay, or now submit. So everything okay. All right, so now run the installation. So it will install. So now we have to choose a few our site title. So write your site title here, my first WordPress site. Now choose the username you want, admin. Password I'm going to type same as admin, no problem. Choose the email, I mean write your email here, and hit the button install WordPress. So our installation is done. Let's log in into our website, our WordPress website, which is hosted in localhost. So type the username admin, type the password, logged in. So this is our WordPress dashboard. Okay, and you can check the site here. So this is our front end, so it's working very fine, and this is our back end, I mean the dashboard. So this is the way actually how you will install WordPress on localhost. I hope you guys understand. Still, if you have any question, you can ask me on comment. I will reply. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it. Thank you so much for watching the video.